Welcome to English for Everyone. Hi, I'm Shoaib, a student at Emerson University. With a passion for teaching English, I'm excited to guide you through this journey. This training includes following modules: grammar, vocabulary building, spoken English, pronunciation and accent improvement, IELTS and TOEFL preparation, writing English. Why this training matters: emphasizes confidence, communication, and growth, makes English accessible and enjoyable for everyone, encourages effective use of English in daily life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell icon for amazing lessons coming soon. Let's start this journey together.